We're in this parking garage here in Highland Park, and it looks like we have a Dover. Very messy. Ugh, look at all that rust and gunk. Oh, here it is. Oh, okay. Oh, it's a ThyssenKrupp. This thing is freezing. Are we gonna move? Bro, what? Come on. This thing's messed up. What is going on? Are you kidding? What are you doing? Honestly, I think we might not be able to take a ride on this thing. Oh, there we go. Uh-oh. Oh. Right up to 2. This is the Central Parkway parking garage. Are you kidding me? It's doing it again. Come on. Oh my God. I'm just gonna go to 1. I don't think we're gonna even have enough luck to make it to 2 and back down. Bro, what are you? This thing's messed up. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Go up. Come on. God dang it. I don't think we might be, I don't even know if we'll be able to get up on this thing. Come on, hold the door closed. No, oh my God. All right, we'll try one more time. Otherwise, I'm calling it quits. Come on. There we go. I'm just getting off on 1. This thing's messed up. Yeah, I'm not bothering. Hey, why isn't the door opening? What the fuck is going on? What? Okay, I'm getting off this thing. No, thank you. Not that thing's messed up. No thanks. That's it.